Hey everybody, Joe here from the YouTube channel RVing with Joe, and I can't wait to see you at the 2025 Snowbird RV Show in Abbotsford, British Columbia. I'll be sharing my seminar, Secrets of the Happy RVer, Life Lessons from the Road. It's a fun, lighthearted look at what RV life is really like, from the unwritten rules of campground life to the little routines that make the road feel like home. Since 2004, I've traveled coast to coast with my wife and dogs, from the busiest cities to the most remote corners of North America. And after my latest 5,000-kilometer trip through BC into Alberta, Yukon, and even a little bit of Alaska, I've brought back fresh tips and ideas because RV life means we're always learning. So join me September 18th through the 21st at Tradex in Abbotsford, British Columbia. You can get your tickets on rvshowscanada.ca. I'll put a link in the description, and let's laugh, learn, and discover the joys of RVing together. See you there, and until then, get busy living.